I'm down here at Commonwealth Park this afternoon at stage 88 just to come and do a bit of an inspection and check up on my English daisies. And we've got our beautiful Floriade artwork on the back of the wall. You can have a look here. We can see that some of the English daisies are flowering. They're nice and green and healthy. And again, we have to remember the timing of this planting was done in late April. I think this was in May. So the plants are looking pretty healthy. We've got a few bulbs popping through. Just trying to keep the water up to it. There's been a lot of construction work in Commonwealth Park. Upgrading some of the areas here, and they've broken a few water mains, so the water's been on and off at different times. So, that's what I'm here for today, just to give it a bit of water to keep it going until Friday, when we're due for 25 mils of rain, which will be exciting. That will be fantastic for everyone's plants out there. You can see how the English daisies are growing really nicely.